The okapi is a unique and fascinating animal that is found only in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The okapi has several unusual features, including a long, prehensile tongue that it uses to grasp leaves and strip them from branches, and zebra-like stripes on its legs that help it blend in with its surroundings. The animal is also closely related to the giraffe, but unlike the giraffe, which has a long neck, the okapi has a relatively short neck and is about the size of a horse. The okapi is a highly elusive animal and is rarely seen in the wild. It is primarily active during the day, but it spends most of its time hidden in dense vegetation, making it difficult to spot. The okapi is also known for its keen sense of hearing, which allows it to detect predators and other animals moving through the forest. Unfortunately, the okapi is endangered due to habitat destruction, hunting, and civil unrest in the region. The Okapis' habitat is being destroyed by logging, mining, and agriculture, which are also causing fragmentation and isolation of populations. Additionally, the okapi is hunted for its meat and skin, and the ongoing conflict in the region has made it difficult to protect the animals and their habitat. Efforts are being made to protect the okapi and its habitat through conservation programs, research, and education. For example, the Okapi Wildlife Reserve, established in 1992, is a protected area that covers over 13,000 square kilometers and is home to an estimated 5,000 okapi. The reserve is managed by the Congolese Institute for Nature Conservation, and efforts are underway to develop sustainable livelihoods for local communities that can coexist with the okapi and other wildlife. In addition to the Okapi Wildlife Reserve, other conservation organizations are working to protect the okapi and its habitat. For example, the Wildlife Conservation Society (WCS) has been working in the region for many years and has established several programs to protect the okapi and other wildlife. These programs include monitoring and research, habitat protection, and community outreach and education. One of the challenges of protecting the okapi is the ongoing conflict in the region, which has made it difficult to manage and protect protected areas. Poaching and illegal hunting are also major threats to the okapi, as well as other wildlife in the region. To address these challenges, conservation organizations are working with local communities to develop sustainable livelihoods that can provide alternative sources of income, while also promoting conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. The okapi is a unique and important species that plays an important role in the rainforest ecosystem. Protecting the okapi and its habitat is not only important for the survival of the species, but also for the many other species that rely on the rainforest for their survival. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that the okapi and other wildlife can continue to thrive in the region for generations to come. Conservation efforts for the okapi and other wildlife in the region also include efforts to improve law enforcement and combat illegal activities, such as poaching and illegal logging. For example, the WCS has been working with local authorities to train and equip wildlife rangers and increase patrols in protected areas. The WCS has also developed a wildlife trafficking prevention program to help reduce demand for illegal wildlife products and increase awareness of the impacts of wildlife trafficking on ecosystems and communities.